Imagine waking up and hearing only pure silence. No more ringing, no buzzing, just the sounds you love.
The express to downtown is now boarding on platform 5.
ZenCortex, natural liquid drops for maximum ear strength. Powerful formula designed to silence the buzz forever.
Powered by grape seed extract, fighting oxidative stress in your ears.
Green tea extract boosting healthy blood flow naturally. To be or not to be, that is the question. All the world's a stage.
Whoa, a toy! Hee, that's funny. I'm climbing up.
Gymnema sylvestre calming those overactive nerve signals. Panax Ginseng sharpening your focus and memory every day. Astragalus and maca root, nature's true hearing heroes. Real results after just a few consistent months.
Watch as your world comes alive again. The peace your mind deserves and the hearing your ears need.
Listen to those birds singing so joyfully.
And the kids playing, what a great sound.
Recover your focus and well-being starting today.
That's just so refreshing.
No chemicals, just nature's best for your ears. Thousands are already enjoying clearer hearing. What if you could hear everything again? ZenCortex is changing lives, one drop at a time.
Ready to reclaim the sounds of life?
Don't wait another day for silence and clarity. ZenCortex, your natural path to 360-degree hearing. Order now and get your hearing back. The official link is in the QR code on your screen and in the first pinned comment. Click now. Your clearest days are waiting. ZenCortex.